besties, welcome to another vlog. Yeah, so we hit 193k on Sunday. Yeah, 193k. Did someone just say alive? Well, calling it into existence. I just want to say thank you so much for 193. So today I'm just gonna clean my room and run some errands. Like, I woke up this morning, I prayed, had my bath, and my morning routine is currently 7 minutes after 12. So let's go set my room up and clean it up, okay? My room is a whole lot of mess. Like, can you guys actually see this? See all of this? In my last vlog, my room was actually better, but like right now, look at clothes. I have to clean up. Look at my office. It's a disaster. And look at this beautiful tripod. I got this tripod as a gift on Saturday. Yeah, and Chidimar, thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Like, I'm so freaking happy. I don't have a tripod. Like, don't play. Okay. Look at my shoes, bags. No, it's a whole lot. Look at me. Look at cute me. Looking pretty. Looking cute. And this beautiful painting. Just look at how pretty I look. I look so beautiful. Oh yeah. So I have like a lot to do, but like how I'm going to go about it, only God knows.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
I'm done with that part of the room, like my office part of the room. If you don't know me, yeah, if you're new to my channel, like you're new to this channel, my name is Peculiar, and I'm a Nigerian girl, African girl here. Also, I've wanted to become a content creator in like years now, 2 years now. Filming videos, and you know, a lot of things happened, and then I stopped for a really long time. Started again, was consistent, came back. Something happened again, I left. So there was a day I was like, you know, where is this thing? Oh, I stumbled on somebody's channel while watching my own videos. I think it was at night. And I'm like, she was like, if you do something, if you want to do something, do it with all your mind, do it with all your might, work with God, chase your dreams. I don't know if I can find her channel, but like, she literally spoke to me on that vlog. It was a vlog. She spoke to me on that vlog, and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get on to this because this is my dream. This is my little dream, but not so little. It's my dream. Like, I need to focus on it. I need to chase my dreams. Now, I'm chasing my dreams, and very soon, my dreams are going to be chasing me. Opportunities are going to be coming. You know, I'm just going to work with God and just wait for opportunities to come. Now, I'm just trying to like figure out my life, trying to get to know myself, figure out myself, figure out my purpose in life, and all of that. And then the enemy is trying to put doubts into my mind, trying to put doubts, you know, making me doubt the things I'm praying for and I'm trusting God for. But like, no, I say no. I said no. Because God is going to do it when the time is right. So I just want to use this opportunity to encourage you all and encourage myself too that God is going to do it when the time is right. God has everything covered, and all of this is going to come. Like all the things we pray for and ask for and trust God for, it's going to come in due time. It's going to make sense. Like it's going to make sense. I know right now it doesn't make sense, but the fact that I'm in 190K, oh my goodness. I keep saying 190K, like 193, yeah, 193 for now. But like, can you imagine? This is God talking to me. Like, I'm already saying 193K. Like, so during my devotion on Sunday, there's this verse that I saw. The verse was like, with God, everything shall be possible. Nothing is impossible. So I told God, my faith, my patience, I give to you. Because God has a funny way of doing things. Like, God has a funny way of doing things. I just want to encourage you all to chase your dreams, follow your passion. This time and age, you shouldn't have any limitations because you can literally learn anything from anywhere, like from the comfort of your home. YouTube, you can learn anything from YouTube. Hey guys, I'm like so tired right now. One thing about me, oh god, I get really tired, like very tired really fast. And you can call me lazy because I'm like a little bit lazy. Yeah, you can call that lazy. But like I'm trying to be unlazy. So I'm just lying on the floor, my dirty clothes. I know. This is like what I actually have to do today. Like just arrange my room and take a walk with my lovely brother later in the evening because I've made it an habit to like walk as part of my, routine, daily routine, everyday routine. Yeah, so I can walk in the morning if I like, and I can walk in the evening if I like. Yeah. So the time is 1:40. Let me check. I'm actually using my phone as like the lighting. So let's check. What's the time? 1:44. So like I've been working for like an hour now, I guess. An hour. Let me show you guys what this, like how far I've gone this work. This is like 1 hour that I've gone for. So let me show you guys, okay? Yeah, so this is like the remaining stuff. Okay, let me show you guys how my room looks like right now. Like my office, well lit. Like I want to give this headset to my brother, even if it's terrible now. I'll get him a new one later. And this beat, I want to give it to him as well. And my bag is well arranged. These are clothes that don't fit me no more. They don't fit me anymore. So I want to like give them out. These are my dirty clothes. I'll take them to the machine soon. And these are like, what do I call them? The packagings that come with it. Yeah. And that's my beautiful ring light. That's my office. This is where I display my lip care products. Yeah, this is my lip gloss, lip brush, lip, everything. I carry my business for head. Yeah. So this is my ring light. This, I don't even know where to put this. And my new tripod. Yeah. And my brother is like over there sleeping. Yeah. Baby girl is there. So like that's all for my room. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't so boring for you guys to watch. I just want to say thank you so much for 193 subscribers. K subscribers. I mean, we're anticipating the K. We're anticipating the K. My lips is so dry. Like it was dry like a few seconds ago. So I just want to say thank you so much. I love you so much for always supporting me, for supporting my dreams, my little dreams. Not so little dream though, not so little. Not so little. So I'll see you in my next vlog, chit chat, whatever is coming. I'll see you in my next vlog. Okay? See you. Bye.